Welcome. In this video, we will be covering the live charts of the positive correlated currencies as an example, and also the negative correlated currencies as an example. First of all, we will touch on three groups of currencies, one being the European currencies, two, the dollar currencies, and three, the Australian dollar currencies. Keep in mind that positive correlated currencies move in the same direction. Negative correlated currencies move in the opposite direction. Later on, you will see why this is so important and how you can minimize your risk of trading every day you trade the markets. To minimize your risk, to maximize your potential rewards on low risk investment. In front of us, displayed in front of us, is the Euro Canadian dollar 4-hour chart. And if we put in normal fundamental price levels, a line of resistance where price was rejected to the upside, furthermore, a support level where price was held up and also rejected to the downside, it is clear then to us that this currency pair went bullish from its lowest point all the way up to its reversal point. Now, the currency pair and price reversed, meaning that the investors lost interest at the fundamental level of 1.51443 with the bearish rejection. And if we look at its correlated positively correlated currency, which will be the euro, US dollar, if we put in two fundamental price levels, one, its highest point, two, a point where price is held up currently, and in this chart, it is definitely clear to us that price went from its lowest point to its highest point. The investors lost interest and they took their investment off the table with a huge reversal level in play. Therefore, a positively correlated currency pair is defined by currencies that move in the same direction, as you just saw in Euro USD and also Euro Canadian dollar. Furthermore, if we have a look at the US dollar Canadian dollar, we will see that two price levels, 1, 2, price went bullish, price got rejected, and then price bounced. And if we have a look at its positive correlated currency, which is the US dollar Swiss franc, price went bearish, it bounced, and it's currently at a rejection level where price is expected and anticipated in terms of fundamental and technical analysis to reverse from that point. Furthermore, the Australian dollar price consolidating, in that area. And if we have a look at the Australian dollar Canadian dollar, price is indeed consolidating. Therefore, the definition of positive correlated currencies are where the currency and the direction of price is moving in the same direction. Euro CAD moving bearish, Euro US dollar bearish. The negative correlation of price is where one moves bearish and the other one moves bullish. Dollar bullish, its last reversal, and euro bearish, where the base currency in the one currency pair moves bearish, the base currency in the other currency pair moves bullish, and that is indeed a negative correlated currency pairs.